Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sean Wayne today. Magandang gabi muna sa inyong lahat. It's about 10 p.m. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang naging sagot ni Bangag Jr. sa isang interview, ambush interview sa kanya ng mga taga-media. So, panoorin muna natin yung pinaka-video at babasahin natin itong naging sagot ni PBBM sa mga taga-media. Ito na nga guys, no? So basically, hindi naman natin pahabain to. But finally, we were able to get an answer coming from Bangag Jr. It's a very strong no. Yan yung sinabi niya. Ngayon, puntahan natin yung naging interview sa kanya ng billionario.com. Billionario.
Again called on you to undergo a hair follicle test, citing the constitutional principle that public office is a public trust. What do you say to this, Mr. President?
No. No. Why should I do that?
You don't see
What is saying public trust, public office, public has nothing to do with the follicle test. There's no, wala namang connection ng sinasabi niya. He's always had that weakness every time when he was still working for me. If he believed in what he was saying, why did he work for me?
Alam nyo, hina-highlight ko nga rito yung sinabi ni Bangag Jr. Sabi niya, why did he work for me? If I remember it correctly, doon sa mga nakapanood ng interview ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez, he said that during the campaign season, I think one of the many people, like si Attorney Glenn Chong, mga taong hindi po nagbayad sa kanila. So if you say that he works for you, it means that the person is a paid lawyer. Tama ba? Kasi that will be contrasting doon sa sinabi ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez. I actually asked that question to Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Kung siya ba ay pinapasweldo ni Bangag Jr. nung panahon na siya ang tumatayong election lawyer niya during the campaign season. Kasi automatic naman, kung siya ay na-appoint as the executive secretary at the time, ang gobyerno na po ang magpapasweldo kay ES Vic Rodriguez at that time, which is ngayon, we call him, Attorney Vic Rodriguez. 'Di ba? Another thing. Kung babalikan natin to, sabi niya rito, no, why should I do that? What is he saying? Public office is a public trust. Has nothing to do with a follicle test. Wala namang connection niya sa sinasabi niya. The thing is, you have to be transparent sa iyong medical condition, including your mental health. That if you are a drug user, there is a big possibility that magkakaroon ng effect yung mga substance na tinitake mo sa iyong mga decision making. Which is, by the way, napapansin naman natin yan. Halimbawa, last week, when he had an interview about sa sinabi nila PRRD, outright sinabi niya, sinungaling daw si PRRD. Without even knowing the very context nung sinabi nila PRRD. He was pointing at, take note of his inconsistency, his troubled brain, I think. Doon sa podcast nila PRRD, together with Congressman Ungab, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, and the rest of the people who were there, they were talking about the BICAM report. And he was answering a question pointing at the GAA. And then outright, sinasabi niya sinungaling yung presidente. Ngayon, sino ngayon ang sinungaling? Diba? Kasi, gaya ng mga pag-amin ni Stella Kimbo, doon pa lang nalaman na natin that this person, si Bangag Jr., unfit, unstable. Tapos ngayon, tatanggihan mo ang health follicle test. Bakit? May nag-comment dito. Ang ganda ng sinabi niya. Tingnan natin. Public office is a public trust, which by the way, guys, that is under Article 11 of our Constitution. Accountability of public officers. Under Section 1, public office is a public trust. Public officers and employees must at all times be accountable to the people. Serve them with utmost responsibility, integrity, loyalty, and efficiency. Mukha bang may integridad si Bangag Jr. dito? Act with patriotism and justice and live a modest life. If you are a drug user, do you think you're living a modest life? Sabi rin dito, the President, the Vice President, the members of the Supreme Court, the members of the Constitutional Commission, and the Ombudsman may be removed from the office on impeachment for and conviction of culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, and other high crimes, or betrayal of public trust. Betrayal of public trust. Public office is a public trust. Pwede bang pumasok, let's say, hypothetically, drug user nga si Bangag Jr. Hindi ba betrayal of public trust yun? Na inuusig at tinutuligsa nyo yung mga drug addict, pinakukulong natin yung mga drug pushers, pinare-rehabilitate natin ang mga drug users, tapos meron kang presidenteng drug addict pala. 'Di ba? Hindi ba yan isang betrayal of public trust? You are hypocrite. Tama? Napaka-ipokrito mo. Kung wala kang tinatago, it's always easy to do a hair follicle test. Dati nga hindi ka naman kino-call out pero you're the first person to do the hair follicle test. Ay, hindi pala hair follicle yung ginawa niya. Ano ba yung ginawa niya? Tapos isang drug lang, cocaine lang. Hindi sinama lahat ng drugs. All other public officers and employee may be removed from office as provided by law but not by impeachment. Kaya yung naging comment dito ni Miss Erlyn Ang, public office is a public trust. Kaya nga po gusto ng taong bayan, mag-resign na po kayo kasi wala na pong tiwala. Kung mahal niyo po talaga ang Pilipinas, mag-resign na lang po kayo at malaking pasalamat ng taong bayan at malaking tulong mo pa yan, Mr. President. Kami naman po ay may kasalanan din dahil ibinoto po namin kayo. Nagtiwala kami sa iyo at kakayanan mo sa kaso hirap na ang sambayan ng Pilipino sa admin mo. Very respectful pa si Miss Erlyn Ang. Best bestie na president, sabi ni James Malipayon. Ano sabi ni Jim Del Macapagal, this could be the best evidence because if you're not guilty, you would do it to end the issue once and for all. Exactly. Do you agree with Jim Wendell? Ako, I do. How hard it is for you to do a follicle test. Diba? You make people believe and think what many people think and believe is true. Kaming mga mahihirap, kahit kulang ang budget, ready kami magpa-drug test kasi requirement yan na kung mag-apply ka ng trabaho pero kayo takot. Bakit? Exactly. Diba? Ang daming company ngayon nagpapa-drug test. Anong ginagawa niyo sa mga military, sa PNP, sa mga bus driver at saka sa mga konduktor? Diba pinaparandom drug test ninyo? Yung bus driver at saka ang mga konduktor, favorite nyo yung ipa-drug test? Nag-hold ba sila ng public office? Bakit nga ba sila pinapa-drug test? To make sure na pag sila po ay nagda-drive, hindi po sila loaded. Dahil nagta-transport po sila ng mga tao. Tao na may buhay. as simple as a bus driver o a conductor ng isang bus. Pinapa-drug test natin because we want to make sure that they are fit to do their job mentally, physically. How much more ikaw na presidente ka? Paano mo masasabi na walang kinalaman ang pagpapa-hair follicle test mo sa public office is a public trust? 'Di ba? Although wala naman sinasabi sa 1987 Constitution under Article 11, Section 1 and Section 2 na ano nga ba ang betrayal of public trust? Ano-ano ang nasasaklaw dyan? Pwede mo bang sabihin na, hindi naman kasama yung pagiging drug addict ko dyan. Hindi ko binitray ang public trust ninyo. Pero 'di ba typically sa mga tao, pag may kasama kang drug addict, tago mo na lahat ng mga gamit mo. Dahil siguradong mawawala yan. Pag wala na yung mapambili ng droga nila, ang ending yan, no, take note of this, ang ending yan, magnanakaw na yan para masustentuhan ang bisyo. Actually, hindi lang naman sa drugs eh. Kahit yung mga alcoholic, di ba? Oh. Hahanap ng paraan yan para makakuha ng pambili ng pang-inom nila. How much more ang droga? Na iba yung level of ecstasy meron ka. So, paano masasabi ni Bang Junior na yung yung gustong gawin ng taong bayan na siya ay magpa-drug test through hair follicle has nothing to do with public office? Di ba nga, unang-unang kailangan malaman kung fit ka physically and mentally, health-wise. So ngayon guys, kung babalikan nga natin to, yung sinasabi rito ni Bangag Jr., paano niya masasabi that yung pagpapa-hair follicle test na hinihingi sa kanya ng taong bayan has nothing to do with public trust. Public office is a public trust. Are you going to agree with that? Na walang connection yun?